Today I will talk about how can you add bio or your bio on your Threads app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you go down, you click on this sign down here. When you just click on it, then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do now, so you just click here on edit profile. Just click on it here, then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on view, then here you follow all this, you follow here all your view here. Then you click on this sign, so then here it's going to add video, and here can you import view from your Instagram. So that's all you have to do to add your view. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.